Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Brave browser. First, open Brave browser on your computer. After that, click the menu icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, go to the Search Engine section. Here you can see the search engine currently being used for your normal window. On the right side, there is a Change button. This option allows you to choose a different search engine whenever you want. Brave supports several popular search engines, including Google, Brave Search, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. You can simply click the Change button and select the search engine that best fits your needs. Whether you prefer Google for familiar search results, Brave Search for better privacy, or another search engine, Brave makes switching quick and easy. Once you choose a different search engine, the browser saves your preference automatically. There's no need to click a separate Save button. From that point forward, every search you type into the address bar will use your selected search engine. Changing your default search engine only takes a few moments and gives you more control over your browsing experience. It's a simple setting that you can update anytime if your preferences change. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.